Hi, I'm Harris from Bondi Rescue. You're in my backyard, and what I've done in my backyard is pretty much created an oasis. So when I leave the beach, I find the relaxation I need just in my backyard. When I was looking at the cladding, the Veneer Stone Arctic colorways grabbed my eyes straight away. And the reason for that, once again, is I wanted that Whitehampton look, which also associates me very closely to the beach and the icebergs. In my backyard, I'd have to say my masterpiece is the pool here. The kids have just fallen in love with the pool. It's been a massive game changer for us. Well, I'm so excited to show you this cladding that we put in down the side of the house. Not just that, but all these products come from Amber Tiles, which are an incredible company. Not just a company, it's a family business that we all have fallen in love with. This is where I've got the synthetic turf from. Now those tiles, easy to put something in nice, but remember your slip trip rating. That's a 4 out of 5. Protecting my kids. Remember that blue tile around the pool? Where's it come from? There's a Bondi Rescue uniform. So this journey has just been exceptional. Doing it with Amber has been amazing as a company, but what I love about Amber, they're like a family. Thanks, Amber.